Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Only a quick one because we saw a bit of a pump here and I wanted to bring an update out before I do the weekly member only live stream in half an hour. Yeah, we saw a bit of a pump. Ethereum made a higher high. Bitcoin didn't. So I'm just wondering, is this really already the fifth wave? Normally I would count this just as a B wave now. Yeah, would say that possibly here the wave 4 was finished here. Maybe it was a triangle A, B, C, D, E, and we've seen 1, 2, 3. But yeah, where's the wave 4 and the 5? Yeah, didn't really get it. So at the moment, ideally, this is still pushing higher. Now there's various options. Again, my view remains unchanged. As long as we stay above the 50% retracement, I'm okay. You know, and this can still go higher from this point of view. Someone asked me, would you not normally measure the retracement of the wave 3 from the wave 3 beginning? Yes, but in this case I want to give it a bit more space because I do not have a very clear visibility of the lower level wave structures here. This could be the 1, 2, there could even be another 1, 2 in here. That's micro counting, so I leave it a little bit more space in order not to get faked out. It's only a few dollars anyway. You see, if it's 16,847 or if it's 16,868, it doesn't make a great difference percentage wise. Now we even come down lower. So the thing is, I don't think this was the fifth wave yet, as long as we hold that 50% retracement. It could just have been an A wave down, a B wave, and we're now coming down in a C wave. Yeah. It's a little bit unclear. So at the moment, because we didn't even go above the wave 3 high, I can't assume this was already the fifth wave. It could have been. It would then be a truncated high. If it's a truncated high, I would only assume this if we now break down. Yeah, if we break down below the 50% retracement and then break down below 16,746 as well. And then obviously follow through and eventually take out the other support levels that we talked about in previous videos. Then I have to assume it was a truncated high. You would normally not assume that under normal conditions. So I currently cannot assume anymore. This is just a 3-wave move up. So either the wave 4 is not finished yet, or it is, and then is the wave 5 also finished and we break down, and therefore we just need to use this 50% retracement as a threshold. Unfortunately not reliable because it didn't push above the wave 3 high. Otherwise I would say, yeah, possibly it was finished and we're already coming down. And then we would look at this reversal signal, which would be a break below, I would say here, this swing low actually, below 16,886. But to be on the safe side here, I would want to wait until we break below the 50% retracement. That increasingly will increase the chances that we are heading down further and break down. Again, with further confirmation if we break below 16,740. So yeah, this is maybe just a fake out. This was just switching over quickly to Ethereum, which is also coming down, is holding better than Bitcoin at the moment. And that's just what we've observed over the last few days and weeks, that Bitcoin was always a bit weaker, unfortunately. So also the whole wave up a little bit less reliable. So at the moment, I'm not giving up my view that we could still push a higher wave 5 and it would just be more ideal to reach the 17.1k level. But we also can see now that we have basically a double top here, and that we are just coming down quite impulsively. So we need to be open to the idea it could have just been a truncated high. That would become preferred option if we break above below 16,840, and if we drop further, then this would just be a confirmation. So let's say below the 50% retracement, below 16,840, further upside will become less likely. But it's not entirely confirmed that we can't get it anymore. But below the 16,740 level, then in 90% of cases, this wave up would normally fail, because it could still be some kind of a 1-2 setup here, which would still move up later. But below the 78.6 retracement, this is not going to work out anymore. So yeah, that's how I see it at the moment. Let's see if we can find support at 16,840 or 848 here. Interest, that's a level you need to watch out for. So, and then I'm going to log out now and prepare for the member live stream. Thank you. Bye bye.